Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on YouTube? I want to break down the free top things before you start selling on eBay, and those things are important in today's video. So you are probably thinking about, what does this guy know about eBay? Why I'm listening to this guy? Well, I made a lot of money on eBay, but before we jump into it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. So we are not gonna waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. What are those things that I would like to share with you today? Tip number 1, your feedback. You should build your feedback on eBay. From 0 to 100, contacting suppliers. I would advise people to start contacting suppliers on what products they want to sell. Once they go up their feedback, I have got a lot of them is asking, before I start selling, how do I build up my feedback squad? And you have to drive mindset about what it takes to grow a business on eBay, and one way to do that is to purchase low value items for at least $50, and there is a lot of items on eBay. You can find some cheaper digital products so that you can get your feedback score up to 100. Once you have done that, you get as seller or as a buyer. Doesn't make a difference to the buyers that are looking at your eBay store, spending more time. It will then up your feedback score. That's the meaning. And there are a lot of people buy from Amazon and they are used to buy from Amazon. Don't do that. Don't buy from Amazon. Everything you need from your eBay store. If you want to build up your eBay business purchase, I buy things from different eBay store. I don't buy nothing from Amazon. I don't buy nothing from our boss. So I can build a reputation on eBay. And build up that feedback. I have got a fully grown eBay store through up feedback. When it comes time for me to use that eBay store and I can now read brand into a business, that's the tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to decide on long-term business strategy, long-term eBay business. You need to start thinking about that while still growing your feedback score from 0 to 100 to be passed around the misconception. A lot of people don't think about growing an actual brand. They don't think long-term. That's gonna be around for year 1, year 2, year 3. In my opinion, eBay is about building a niche business, and a lot of people trying to make money quickly on eBay, selling trending products. So you need to start thinking about that. That's gonna be around long term. Keep adding products to your eBay store or based around the same category or the same niche. So if you want to set up a car park business, for example, or if you want to set up a pet business, you need to start thinking about what you want to have, what type of business you need to have in mind that are based around initial products that you are going to be editing specific products. Even if you start off with 1 or 2 products, whether it's car products or kitchenware or homeware, you can always change your business idea, but you need to have that in mind. One of my stories was based around bead products. I created the logo, I branded it, I selling products, and I decided I don't want to sell in that niche anymore, so I changed it to something else. What I want to say is, starting out for the first time can always change your mind, just know that. And I did that 3-4 times. This business long term, to start coming up with a grow plan to build. eBay is a place for a long term businesses, and then eventually move over to Shopify. Tip number 3, this is important for you to know. Make sure that customers are happy. It's important that you are aware of this. You don't want to import stock to start selling on your eBay business that you can sell. Once you reach 100 items sold before you start importing stock, all you have got to do is sell up eBay. It's important that you are aware of this and ask that they increase your selling allowance. The reason why they have this in place, they will be more than happy to do. It's important for you to sell quality goods. eBay will be more than happy to increase your selling products. Tip number 4, always try to mention a high percentage feedback where feedback is important. This is important for you to do. I try to stick to 100% feedback. The longer that you can mention 100% feedback, you are going to be successful on eBay. Make sure that you are sending out quality goods. Make sure that you are answering customer messages, because it's important to have that. For that particular product, you can mention 100% feedback. You are gonna be the number 1 seller. Very important. I hope you found those tips helpful. If you got any question, comment it down below. I will be happy to answer. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.